Now it's the real ramen stage. This is my third try. The first try was really failure, and the second try I thought I can do a little bit. This try I hope I can do a little bit more. Okay, so ready? So we got the flour ready. We got some flour on the ramen, the dough, and that's the first stretch. The second one. The third one. Fourth one. Okay, I think I can do one more. How's this? You like this thickness? Or one more? I think. One more, okay?
Yeah.
Let's do one more. Do one more try. This is it. Close up, Yixing. Close up to the noodle. Take a look at the noodle. Even. Oh, not too close. Even, right? Even noodle. This is Oishi noodle. This is Ichiban delicious. Fresh ramen. Okay? Success. Big success. Alright. Off.